Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your Betterment statement. If you don't have a Betterment account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get up to $5,000 in assets managed free. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on Documents. On this page, click on the PDF button beside the account statement you wish to get. Now you will see your statement. To download, click on the download icon at the top right corner. That's how you get your Betterment statement. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.